Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and claim Agoda Cashback rewards. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply going to go ahead and start our video. For the matter, what you have to do is simply going to go ahead, first of all, access a particular agoda.com on your official browser. It can be, you can do it from your phone or you can do it from your laptop or PC as well. Once you have done so, you're going to find this kind of home page, and then you're simply going to go ahead and get signed in as well. Once you're done signing, you will gonna tap on your profile name on top and go to this option of cashback rewards, which is just right over here listed. Once you have tapped on it, you're going to find this kind of interface, right, which includes this, and you will be able to check out your available balance as well. So for you to check out your cashback rewards, you just have to scan this particular QR, and for that matter, you need to install Agoda app on your phone as well. So you can simply scan it. Once you have scan the QR code, you will be able to find all of the amounts that is listed, that awards are listed. Go ahead, claim it one by one, and afterwards, once you're done within that, you're simply gonna go to Agoda Cash and check out how much you have claimed, and here you can manage all of the earnings that you have got so far and all of your money. Once you have claimed enough Agoda Cashback rewards, you can go back to your my booking section and simply start booking, and you can redeem your codes and rewards right there like that. So that is a simple way for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.